The manufacturing process for injectables, also known as injectable drugs or parenteral medications, involves several stages to ensure the production of safe and effective pharmaceutical products. Here is a general overview of the typical manufacturing process for injectables. 1. Formulation development. The process begins with the formulation development, where scientists and pharmacists work on developing the appropriate drug formulation for injection. This includes selecting the active pharmaceutical ingredient, API, determining the dosage strength, and formulating the drug in a suitable liquid or powder form. 2. Sterility assurance. Maintaining sterility is crucial for injectable manufacturing to prevent the introduction of harmful microorganisms. The entire manufacturing process takes place in a controlled environment, typically in a clean room or sterile manufacturing facility. Strict aseptic techniques are followed to minimize the risk of contamination. 3. API preparation. The active pharmaceutical ingredient is prepared separately and undergoes rigorous quality control tests to ensure it meets the required specifications. The API can be obtained through various synthesis processes, purification techniques, or purchased from a reputable supplier. 4. Sterile component preparation. Other components, such as excipients, solvents, stabilizers, and preservatives, are prepared and sterilized as per the defined manufacturing process. These components are essential to ensure stability, proper formulation, and patient safety. 5. Mixing and formulation. The API and other sterile components are combined according to the predefined formulation. This step involves precise measurement and mixing techniques to ensure uniform distribution of the drug and excipients. 6. Sterilization. The formulated product is then sterilized to eliminate any potential microorganisms. Sterilization methods can include filtration, heat, irradiation, or a combination of techniques, depending on the product and regulatory requirements. 7. Filling and packaging. The sterilized formulation is filled into appropriate containers, such as vials, ampoules, or pre-filled syringes, using specialized filling equipment. The containers are carefully sealed to maintain sterility and prevent contamination. 8. Labeling and inspection. The filled and sealed containers are labeled with essential information, including the drug name, dosage strength, batch number, expiry date, and usage instructions. Quality control personnel inspect the containers for defects or deviations from specifications. 9. Quality control testing. Samples from each batch of manufactured injectables undergo extensive quality control testing to ensure they meet established standards for identity, purity, potency, sterility, and other critical parameters. This includes physical, chemical, and microbiological tests. 10. Packaging and distribution. Once the injectables pass quality control testing, they are packaged in suitable secondary packaging, such as cartons, and prepared for distribution. Proper storage conditions and transportation protocols are followed to maintain product integrity. It's important to note that the manufacturing process can vary depending on the specific type of injectable, regulatory requirements, and the pharmaceutical company's internal procedures. The process outlined above provides a general overview of the steps involved in injectable manufacturing.